Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this eufyCam S330 Pro Anchor wire-free 2K security camera with 365 days battery life. Whoa, that is a huge battery life. Of course I'm going to test it to see how long it will last. Well, let's jump in to see what we have inside, what accessories. Oh, I like it. And there is the camera, the one. Nice, it's quite heavy. In a first look, I can say definitely is well manufactured. The design, it's great, I like it. It feels something premium. The whole unboxing experience is very good. Well packaged everything, not to damage. There's the pin. A eufy camera security mounting screws position card. Okay, very helpful. Camera mounting screw position card again. 2. We value your privacy as much as you do. That's why since the birth of eufyCam, we've been taking solid steps to protect your home as well as your privacy. Thumbs up. Here you can get all the information about eufylife.com, support, 24/7 monitoring by eufyCam. Place this sticker to let visitors know your property is monitored by eufyCam. Nice. A quick start guide, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Now let's check in this box. We've got an Ethernet cable. I like this type of cables. It is about 1 meter. We've got the mounting bracket. Unscrew this. Screw it at the wall. And then you can connect one of the camera. It goes here. And of course you can adjust it and tight it enough. It's not going to go anywhere. Nice. 2 of this inside. Next we've got the indoor mount. This is steel because at this side we've got magnet. And you can see it is very strong. It's not going anywhere. It is holding very well. Another one. And there's the hook for indoor mount. Install that at the wall or at the wood with a screw, and then you can lock it, slide it inside. Another one. Oh, and there's the screws. Because with no screws you cannot do anything. Next we've got the adapter, and this is a 12 volt 2 amps 24 watt, and you can connect this for a UK or European. I will use a European, and lock. And it is about 1.5 meters. The length is great. Now let's start with the home base. Here we can see we have the connection for the power. We've got the USB port, the Ethernet port, the sync alarm off button, the reset button here. Down here we've got the speaker, the status LED, a eufyCam, some ventilation from here, and very glossy up here. I like it. Rubber at the base, prevent any movement. Great. Now let's go to the eufyCam 2 Pro. Here we've got the micro USB, connect your cable and charge it. Nice. Now at the front, let's take this out, remove the film before use. Here it is the camera lens. Here we've got the photosensitive sensor. For the advanced night vision, the f2 aperture lens and the high photosensitive sensor allow for more light to be captured and for the total surface area monitored to be increased. The end result is superior image quality for your nighttime recordings. Nice. In front we've got the motion sensor here, the microphone, the LED indicator, and here we've got the sync button to synchronize all this together. And that was all about the specs that it has this camera. Well, I think it's time to connect everything to our network and make the setup. We need to download, of course, the security eufy app from the App Store or Google Play to start the setup. Now let's make the connections to my router. Okay, here we are. Plug your Ethernet cable from your router, the power. Now we're just waiting to go blue. Download the eufy security app. Make an account, register, verify your account.
Welcome to eufy Security. Follow the instructions in eufy Security app to set up the system.
Okay, add the device. Home base 2. Connect home base to your router LAN port. Power on. We already done that. Next. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi router. Home base is connected to. Next. Wait 1 minute until home base LED turns from red to blue. Nice. Next. Scan the QR code at the bottom of home base 2.
Home base receives a pairing request. Press the sync button on the back to accept it.
Sync button.
Home base was added successfully.
Give your device a name. Tech. Done. Confirm. Next. Checking firmware update. Current version firmware update is up to date. Next. In order to have good signal transmission, it's recommended that first try to place a home base higher from the ground. Some information where to install your home base. Finish. And here we are at the home base 2. You can rename it. Connection Ethernet. Of course, if you want, you can connect it with your Wi-Fi router. If Ethernet cable was pulled out, home base will auto switch to Wi-Fi connection. Set up your Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi router. Enter the password. Next.
Home base has connected to Wi-Fi successfully.
Nice. Unplug the home base power adapter and Ethernet cable. The home base will turn off. Please unplug the Ethernet cable from the home base.
Home base is switching to. Home base has connected to Wi-Fi successfully.
And if you want, you can start the test about your signal strength. My base, it is 4 meters from the router. That is very good distance. And we can see we've got a great Wi-Fi signal. Of course, if you want, you can test it, set up other Wi-Fi. Time settings, storage. Here you've got the clips, the total, the available storage. 6 days, we have protected you for 6 days. 35 motions have been recorded. You can clear the storage, repair the storage, and format. Alarm settings. You can adjust the volume of the alarm.
Alarm off. Alarm off.
You can change the tone.
Alarm off. Alarm off.
Prompt volume. The above adjustment can control the volume for all notifications except the alarm. And you can hear the beep. Notifications. Choose the notification you would like to receive. eufy Security will always send you notification concerning alarms, errors, and critical updates. Switching off and on everything what is best for you. You can see the buried devices, about device, restart the device, and remove the device. Now we need to add the eufyCam 2 Pro. Keep the camera and home base within 1 meter. Next.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Now there's the sync button. And there's the beep. Next.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
Living room. Added successfully. Next. Optimal battery life. Choose the camera working mode. Video clip length is up to 20 seconds. The system automatically adjusts the detection time period to reduce the chances of detecting the same object twice in a short period. Okay, we've got a notification. Nice, at my smartphone. Optimal surveillance. Video clip can be up to 60 seconds. The system will attempt to record each event for as much as possible. Customize recording. Video clip length and detection periods can be customized. Motion is detected more frequently, the battery will drain faster. And you can customize from here from 5 seconds to 120 seconds. Re-trigger interval from 5 seconds to 60 seconds. And clip early if motion stops. Battery life will decrease dramatically on this mode. Okay. Well, let's choose the optimal surveillance. We will see. I think we can change it later. Next, fully charge the battery before mounting for 365 days of surveillance on one charge. Okay, 5V 2A, got it. Some mounting tips, okay. Next, mounting complete. Now let's add in the second camera, our device, eufyCam 2 Pro. Next.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep. Ready to add device.
Okay.
Device was added successfully.
Front door, next. Okay. Optimal. Oh, got it. The same information. And there we've got the two cameras connected. I have already connected the first camera for charging. I will do the same and for the second camera, waiting until it will go 100% fully charged, and then I will start the test. Now the cameras are fully charged, and let's install it at the wall. Now I have made a hole at the wall, and I need to install this hook plastic and then lock the indoor mount. And then the camera with a magnet, it will fit perfectly. Now I'm going to install the mounting bracket for outdoors. And screw that. You need only the base for now. One screw. Now I have made in the hole. You can use one or two screws. Now I will use only one. Of course, it will be wisely to install two screws at the wall. This position is not permanently for me. That's why I install it only one screw. Okay. This plastic goes here. It has rubber. It helps not to move this too much. You can unscrew that, adjust the camera. Install the camera, find the right place, screw that very tight. It will not move, it will stay there. Well guys, that was all about this eufyCam 2 Pro and the home base 2. Mounted at the wall was very easy. The setup to my network, it was an easy process. Follow the step and you will find it very helpful. Now to my next video, I will do the review, how to use this camera, what is the best options with the eufy security app. We're gonna find out together the quality at the day and at the night, the superior motion detection, and all the great options that it can give us this camera. If you need to buy it, you can check down below to the description, you can find a link, click it, and you will see many products from eufy. Definitely you will find some of these products very helpful and just buy it. Don't lose my next video about reviewing this camera and testing. That's why hit the notification bell, subscribe, like if you like my videos, your choice, and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day, until the next video.